So here is a native wildflower. This is tall blue lettuce. Sometimes it's called meadow lettuce. It goes by a variety of different names. It is quite tall. This one, I'm on a hillside and it kind of tipped over so I can get a pretty good look at it. This plant has some very attractive little flowers, but it is a lettuce. Lettuce have these odd shaped little leaves, and just as to confirm, lettuce also, if you were to break a branch, I don't know if you can see the latex coming out of it, but that's typical of anything in the lettuce family. They have this little latex on there, so it's a nice little test if you think something's a lettuce. And of course, other things like milkweeds and spurges have milky juice too, but this is one other way to confirm that what you have is what you have, and this is in the lettuce family. So tall blue lettuce, as most lettuces, if when it's young, you would be able to eat it. You have to get rid of that latex stuff though. Now it would not be edible, it would be pretty acrid. Has these beautiful flowers, which are a favorite, believe it or not, different pollinators, and particularly even tiger swallowtail butterflies. So a neat little plant. It's, I believe, a biennial, so it grows just 2 years. First year it comes up, forms these big leaves, collects as much energy as possible, and then it shoots up to 10, 12 feet even, although 8 to 10 is much more common, and flowers, produces these little fluffy seeds which float in the air, and then what you end up with is, of course, next year's crop. So tall blue lettuce, what I think is a kind of underappreciated native wildflower of edges and early establishing meadows. Something that many pollinators, in particular butterflies and bees, really like. There's actually a couple little things on here. I don't know if you can pick them up on the camera, but there's a couple little bees hovering through here. And again, it only lives 2 years. A very, very tall plant, an edge plant, and one that is related, believe it or not, to our lettuce. Jagged edges, the latex on the actual plant itself, all of these can give you clues that it's in the lettuce family. And this, you can see the color, of course, of the actual leaves, of the actual flowers. So this is tall, wild blue lettuce.